Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays episode 205. And I'm going to be doing the Panda Friends kit. So I wasn't sure which one I was going to do, but these little pandas were just saying, please do us first. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then Friday for my Di's shorts, I will do the rock and roll one for that. And this is a new thing that we are starting. We're getting 2 new kits a month. And I love that because, I don't know, because sometimes I might like one over the other, and then we have a choice. I always love having a choice, and but I liked both of them, so I got both of them. But I also love the monthly kits over the paper pumpkin ones because these are available for a while. So when I show you, as long as they're in supply, like they're still in inventory, you can get them. With the paper pumpkin, it's a little bit different. You have to be a subscriber to get those, and but they're kind of very similar in style. But I just kind of like to see what's in there and then be able to offer it to you. All right, so let me get started. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So today is my Teach Me Tuesdays. Like I said, I'm going to do one of the new monthly kits. And this is an online exclusive kit, so it's not like in a catalog anywhere. So when you go to my store, you want to just go to the menu and look for online exclusives, and then you'll be able to find not just the kits, but some things that carry over from the catalog that just left. There'll be some carryover things, so you'll find the more up-to-date stuff there. All right, so I'm going to adjust my camera for just a second, so close your eyes for a minute. So here is the fun little Panda Friends kit, and it looks really, really cute. All right, so let me get my what my pieces are. All right, so in the kit we have some dimensionals, we have some bling, those are like little sequins, and we have our dimensionals. We have, so I'm going to pop these out. All right, so I need one of these. I need a love you lots. So this is an all-inclusive kit, meaning, well, I think they're always on all-inclusive, but there's no stamp with this one. So it's already done for you. So I want to love you lots. And then it has the different greetings, right? The different languages. Okay, so I'm going to grab this one because I'm assuming I need that one as well. All right, so we've got some cute, look at these really adorable envelopes. I'll set those aside there. I have a pink card. So I want a pink card with this one, and they've got that little bamboo. Can you see that bamboo design? I want this. I'm going to get some bling. So I'm just going to set these off to the side because I'm just going to do one card. All right. So look at the cute little panda, and she's got like a little head thingy on, headband, with the little spring hearts. Okay, so that's number 1 card. Then we have number 2 card. So it's one of these long ones. So it's like this. So it has a back and a front. Then you've got some really fun grass. So we'll just pop that out of there. Cute colors too. Again, I'll set these extra ones off to the side. This one has a really cute envelope as well. It's like a slimline style. All right, so the hay there, whatever I did with the pink hay there. Oh, right here. goes with this one. And then we want 3 little panda bears. So we have 2 arms out, a little guy that's sitting, and 1 little guy with his arm out. And this card, I also need this little guy's arms. Oh, ready. So it looks like it's going to be fairly easy to put together. All right. So then we've got the first card. So we have, all right, so we're going to score this. All right. And then you have the bamboo. So this is just going to go right over top of here. So you're going to see this little design right there. And the bamboo, it doesn't have like an upside or a downside because they kind of go every which way. So that's fine. It does say that we're using dimensionals to put this on. So they've got one here, here, and here. I don't know why they didn't put any down there. Okay. Maybe because we'll run out. I don't know. But I have a lot of dimensionals. So I'm just going to be a rebel, and I'm going to put them down here as well. All right. Okay. And this is just going to go over here. And I'm just eyeballing it. So my edges are good as well as that. But I love how this is like a dimensional, right? Like you can see like in the card there. So you've got that shadow in there, which is super cool. All right, then we have the little panda. Now she's got these arms. And those are put on with dimensionals too. So they're kind of big, so I'm going to cut them. I'm going to trim them. So just use the edge there. Or I could use the baby ones too, but I'm just picking what is in the kit. There we go. Cut that in half. And then it won't hang out off the edge. All right. So this way, she's got some 3-dimension to her. And she's holding that cute little envelope. So it's kind of at an angle like that. So she's got some dimension to her, right? Where she's holding that little envelope. All right. Then we're going to use some more dimensionals to put her on the card. But she is over this hole. So I'm going to kind of see how she is. So she's like this. So I want a dimensional here and here. I want to control where I put my dimensionals. I don't want to put one here and here, and then by accident I've got it onto this part. So I'm putting it on here like that. Look how cute she is. All right, and then she's got her love you lots, and that's also with a dimensional. I'll just put 2 since one's stuck to my finger. Love you lots. So this is a fun kit. This would be great, a Valentine kit, right? So love you lots. Super cute. I love the little eyeballs, look so real. All right, so let's bring card 2 over. Oh, and then there's bling. Hold on a minute, there's bling. Right here, these sequins. So they've got 3. Just kind of plopped around the card. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so let's go to the second card. So there's just 2 cards on this kit, but you're doing 4 of each, so it makes 8 total. Alright, so we want this fun, I just love the colors. What are these colors? The colors that coordinates are Basic Black, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, Pool Party, and Poppy Parade. Now, Poppy Parade is a fairly dark red, so this is more like a subdued Poppy. Oh, I see. Never mind. Ignore me. The Poppy Parade is here. This is the Flirty. Here's the Poppy Parade in the little hearts, so I apologize for that. All right. So let's get this out. So we want our grass, and there's dimensionals on here, and here, and here, and I'm gonna put a trimmed one down here because that's kind of skinny, so I'm just going to trim, and then I don't have to worry about it sticking out. Alright, so this is just going to go along the bottom, and our little pandas are just sitting on the grass. Okay, I love slimline cards. You can do so much with them because you've got that extra space, so they're fun. I did a slimline for Spring Social. I usually put 1 slimline in my events. Alright, so there's cute. So look, you can see behind there, so that grass has got some dimension to it. Alright, then we want our cute little panda bears. Now these guys don't have any extra arms like the other ones. Alright, and I'm going to put my dimensionals on the bears, but I'm going to keep them kind of towards the top because their legs will be on the card. So I'm going to keep my dimensionals, you know, up to the top on these ones since it's a scenery. All right, I'm just going to peel these off. Now I am going to put the little guy in the center first, and then we can work our way off to the sides. All right, so let's put this little guy in the center. That looks kind of center. Hello, little cutie. And then we have this guy. So he's going to go here. And then this guy. So by doing that center guy first, I could space them a little bit better. Instead of putting one here and then you go, oh, now my space is wrong. So it's just easier to do the center one and then do your edges. All right, and then we have our hey there. But isn't this so cute? All right, so we have hey there. And then there's some bling on this one too. So we have, oh my, they used a bunch of bling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of plop them around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. So there is that one. So super cute. And then this is that fun little envelope. And I love how the envelope has got that pattern all the way through. So if you like to cut your envelopes and get more use out of them, That is super fun there. And then this one here has this envelope. And it's the same way. You've got these cute little, well, they're like hearts and polka dots. Super cute. And then you've got your little envelope there. So 2 quick, cute little cards. And let's see if it will focus. I banged to the camera, so it's gonna, it doesn't like me since I banged the camera. All right, so super cute. I love how that one has the little arms sticking out. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna say, see you later, alligator. So do you like this little kit? This would be a fun one. I like I said, I usually grab the kits. Even if I'm not a fan, I usually do get the monthly kits. Because sometimes, I should say sometimes, all the times, I like to just sit and craft and not have to think about it, right? I don't want to have to think about, oh, I have to cut the paper this size and that size. So that's where the kits are fun. Plus, I always like to have cards on hand for thank you cards, birthday cards, you name it. I just like to have finished cards ready to grab from. Jeff has always come in and go, oh, I need a card for so-and-so, or a thank you card or whatever, and I always like to have cards ready to go for him as well. So let me know what you think about this little kit. And like I said, for Friday, for my dies shorts, if I can get the box open, for my dies shorts, I'm going to do the Rock Legend kit. So this is the second kit for January, and it has some fun looking papers, and it even has some 3-dimensional stars in there. So this is pretty cool. And I want to say this coordinates with one of the stamp sets that's in the mini catalog. All right, so I am going to say see you later. I will see you Friday for my dies shorts. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.